Guys, today we're making Kool-Aid pineapple. It's gonna be a good one, bro. We're about to go to, I almost said Wendy's, but we're about to go to Walmart. If y'all don't know what the Kool-Aid, what's it called? Kool-Aid pineapples are. Oh, we're about to make them. Then we're gonna go to Desert Ridge and go sell them and try to make a living. They don't have tap to pay here.
Oh, shittings.
Go now. Go the main part. This isn't looking good. You guys got money? We're selling Kool-Aid pineapples.
You asked me?
No, I'm asking him. You got cash? You got cash?
From what?
Oh, hell no! I'm just asking you.
He has cash in his car, actually.
If you have $25, I'll give you the whole jar.
That's a good deal.
Go ask this girl, that's really one.
Yeah, security's coming.
Oh,
They're following us.
they are?
Yeah, they're still following us. Yeah, he's coming. Shoot, run. Excuse me? You got cash?
I do not.
We're selling Kool-Aid pineapple.
I do not have any cash, I'm sorry.
Alright, no, that's fine. Thank you. Gosh, bro. You always fumble, bro. Yo. You want some Kool-Aid pineapple? Bro, for $15, you can have the whole jar. Yeah, I realize how much money we're not gonna make from this.
How much are you making right now?
$2? Yo, what?
Wait, I can always send someone over there.
Wait, you want some?
No, you can send some.
Just to get some.
Send some.
Who?
You'll see.
Food. Alright, who?
You'll see.
Alright,
Okay, where are you guys right now?
we're at Target.
Like in front of the Target?
Yeah,
The left or right side?
the right side.
Alright, I'm gonna send someone.
How fast is he gonna be here? 30 minutes? Yeah, I'm not waiting here for 30 minutes.
I don't want you to record me.
Bro, you wanna buy some? That's pineapple Kool-Aid. It's $1 for 2 sticks. You want some?
Pineapple Kool-Aid?
Or $15 for the whole jar. Alright, oh shit.
What? What?
Yeah. With Kool-Aid. Strawberry. Try it? Yeah. You gonna buy it? Yeah. Alright. I promise you it's good.
Wait, how much is it?
$1.
Is $1 for this one?
For 2. We did the going? Alright. Thank you, bro. Not bad. Is that cash? Oh, what?
Card?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, nah, okay.
No, we'll just take the card. The card. What? Oh, it's okay. $1 for 2. You can just
Cause
trust us.
we're Logan Live. We got like
Who
2
keeps
million.
talking at me, bro? Damn.
We got like 100K subs. Yeah.
Yeah, for 2. See, he does have money, bro. He was lying.
We don't know you.
Or $10 for the whole
Bro,
thing.
hey, look at this.
It's all live stream. It's all live stream. I promise you.
What can I get?
$1 for 2 of these things.
Like, feel me?
That's me.
Yeah.
So you can trust me. Oh, okay. Dude, turn my damn things off, bro. Please.
Damn, I didn't see that reel.
Don't come in with the camera. Alright, we're gonna try it.
Wait, did you jump in the pool?
Try it. Yeah, I did.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's actually really good. Alright guys, we got another customer. He's gonna try some.
Only like 4 people did that.
Say it. Oh, it's actually good.
This is pineapple.
Hey, you got cash?
Huh?
You got cash?
I'm broke, man. I'm sorry.
Alright chat, we're trying it. Alright. Kool-Aid pineapple. That'd be good. But it's actually good. I'm about to eat the whole jar.
This one, only one.
Oh, fuck you. Well, your shit's good. Guys, we got a total of $4. Wait, no, yeah, $4. We're gonna try again next week and hope for better luck. Until next time, peace out.